Drift Racer, innovative future tech.
What's up YouTube/internet, Lycan-Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and today I'm going to talk to you about this whole Drift Online Games challenge number 2 of this season. This has been posted by Peter on the 22nd of May, and this is for all the people who are not ready to read all of it in German or don't understand German, and people that maybe aren't on the forums yet or whatever. This is for everybody that just tunes into my channel and checks out this challenge right here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do, what you need to build, and how you can get started with this challenge if you have a drift racer. And if you don't, then go to sturmkind.com right now and get your drift racer there. They have multiple packages where you can buy specific racers. We have the BMW E30 and the Mercedes, of course, the Evo. So there's a lot of stuff to look forward to also in the coming up in the near future. And I hope to be one of the first to show you guys some new stuff in the upcoming days. So we'll see how that goes. So first off, we're gonna read this whole thing right here. As you can see, like I said, this has been posted on the 22nd of May by Peter, the brother of Martin. And there's a little piece in English, so here we go. The Drift Online games go into the next round, back to the circuit. This time you need some more space, not in the width, but in the length. Find a free area of 4 by 2 meters and off you go. The course looks simple, but it's tough. Here you have to match the right braking points. At the hairpin you can lose a lot of time or do it well. The second challenge is the combination of a slow and very fast section. Who will find the perfect rhythm here? For each run 5 laps with a standing start, you have to be done, it says. The total time counts. The course can be built from our Drift Online Games pack. You can only order this pack through the link right there. You can also build the track with everyday items and the included drift curbs with 2 meter measures. You can build the long L, for example. So if you grab like a tape measurement or something like that, you can make easy stuff for yourself, because it's actually just one big fat giant long line, and one going that way, horizontal, and the other one going up, vertical. So as you can see right there, there's it says modus vrij and tuning vrij, which means that the mode you put your car in, be it race or drift, and the tuning modus, be it rear wheel drive, front wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, how much horsepower, turbo or non-turbo, doesn't matter. You get to pick what you want to do. So that's really cool, because that means that everybody can do whatever they want regarding engine types and drivetrain. Which could probably give out a lot of different outcome, but that's cool nonetheless. So I didn't screenshot the whole thing underneath. You have the pro leaderboard and the sport leaderboard. The sport leaderboard is more for people like me. I tend to drift and race around in my living room, not focusing much on time and stuff like that. I'm actually very bad, and I get very crap regarding stressful stuff. If I drive in a real car and I drift in a real car, that's no problem, because I already won like a couple of races back when I was younger, when I drove my A86, the drift car. And all in all, this is just a whole another level, of course, playing with these cars and driving with your tablet or with your mobile phone. But these challenges are really nice. Every time they come up with something different, either drifting or gymkhana. This time it's just a complete, like, it's a simple race, but it's gonna be hard to master, and that's everything. Everything is something for everybody to do, but to get really good at it, you have to master it. You have to practice, 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 and I just suck, like I said. So don't take anything from me into account. So we're gonna go to the next picture right there. You can see the small pictures underneath the text that I highlighted. I'm gonna turn this one off, and this is picture number 1. So here you can see you need to have from the center point on the left to the center point on the right 3 meters and 12 centimeters. Then you have to go from the point to the right where the curb is going up. You have to do 71 centimeters. And then from there you can measure out the barrier on the left of that area, what I just talked about. So this is pretty easy, and of course you have to put the start finish line on the exact same area right there. So now we're going to go over to the next picture, which is a little bit more in depth of how you need to go with the race line. I apologize, the sun just like moved away for a little bit, so I'm dark, but that's fine. I'm not important. So from the start, you go over to the left, as you can see right there. You have to go through the, or just go past that little corner, go back around, and of course you can choose to drift to the upper part where you have to go in between the barrier. And that's what you need to do 5 times. So that's 5 times this yellow line that you have to follow. So as you can see, pretty deep. Like I said, 3 meters and 12 centimeters, pretty long actually. And these are all the measurements right there that you can see once again. I'm gonna turn these pictures off, go forward to the next picture. There we go. This is the track right here that I built on my floor. I haven't measured it. I put everything on the measurements regarding the long pieces, but I have not measured the barrier on the correct centimeter space. And of course, I have not used my start-finish line right now, which I need to place down first. So this is just like a mock-up that I did. I made this stuff with the bricks that I have from the from Stormkind themselves. These are the official Drift online challenge pack bricks or barrier set. And yeah, it works really well. I just had enough color and everything to make it exactly as how it's specified on the website, which is pretty cool, on the forum. So again, if you're not a part of the forum yet, go to the forum, go check that out. I know everything is in German, or at least a lot is in German, maybe 90%. But like I said, the challenges are explained a little bit in English, which should be more than enough. People like me who are like super stupid, we tend to find it out as well. So no worries, I'm here to make the videos for you, so I can explain it as well, so you have a little bit of a visualization of how everything is going. So what we're going to do now is actually test the track. So I need to measure up the barrier at the exact same spot where it needs to be, and I need to put in the start finish line, which like I said, I'm just going to do 1. So that's going to be it. Stay tuned for that, and yeah, let's get cracking. Here we go again. Okay, so this was the whole thing right there. I'm gonna stop. This is my score. There, 1 minute 13:280, and the fastest was 13:420. I already had a couple of practice laps before this because it didn't want to go. And the fastest single lap that I've had was 13 flat. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not good at this stuff. So that was my video right there. I did a couple of laps to practice. I screwed myself over constantly. I either put on the or pulled the e-brake too quick, or slamming myself into the barriers. Had to make some space a little bit more. Either way, it's a really cool challenge to do. I might actually continue and try to better my results. But as far as this video goes, I'm running out of time. So this is just what I want to put in. And if I get any better results, you'll probably see my time on the leaderboard. And if not, then c'est la vie. Anyway, you now understand or now know how to do this challenge. So I say to all of you, good luck, have fun, and shout out to the FPV community in the UK. Maybe you guys can do some nice videos regarding the drift racers and the little cameras on top, man. That would be really cool to see the challenge in FPV mode. So either way, shout out to those dudes, and shout out to Martin and Peter for getting all this stuff going. Lucas, have a good vacation, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ding my dong, so you don't miss out any content coming up on the Drift Racer. See you guys in the next one. Thanks. Peace.